Hey guys, my name is Marissa and welcome back to my channel, The Budgeting Wife, where we talk about budgeting tips that will help you win with money. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how much a small YouTuber makes. And I am very much a small YouTuber in this space, so I thought that it would be a lot of fun to share how much money I actually make on YouTube and then also how I make additional money with my business. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I'm also working on doing kind of like a mini YouTuber series, so let me know if you guys are interested in watching more of these videos, and let me know in the comments down below what kinds of things you'd be interested in learning about of starting a YouTube channel. Alright, so let's get into it. So I thought that first off I would just lay out kind of where I am right now in my YouTube journey. So right now I've been doing YouTube seriously for about a year, a little less than a year. But I initially started my channel in July of 2016 and I made like a couple videos and didn't really do anything about it because I felt like I was super awkward on camera. Those videos are still up if you are wanting to look for something really embarrassing of me. But then I completely stopped YouTube there for a while and I was focusing more on working on my blog at thebudgetingwife.com. But then maybe like 9 months later, I was like, maybe I'll just start making YouTube videos again. So I started and I made a couple more and then kind of stopped again. So I was not very good at being consistent with YouTube. But I really got serious about doing YouTube and being consistent with it in about February or March of 2018. So as I'm recording this video, I have a little over 7,800 subscribers and about 370,000 views total on my channel. So you may be familiar with YouTube's monetization guidelines, but as of right now, you do not get monetization on your YouTube channel until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So I hit that mark in April of 2018, and it took until June of 2018 until my account was fully reviewed and I was actually able to put ads on my videos. So I have only been receiving money from YouTube ads since about June or July of 2018. So that's the little backstory on my YouTube channel. But now let's head over to YouTube and I'll show you guys my actual analytics for my channel of how many views I've received and how much money I've made. So here we are in YouTube analytics and I just have my computer sitting here on my lap. That's why I'm looking down. But as you guys can see, these are all of my views and my watch time and then how much money I've made. This is for the month of December. This actually ended up being a fantastic month for my YouTube channel, and that is because I went daily in December. It was a little crazy, but I did Vlogmas, and so I posted a video every single day, and that was really helpful in bringing in more views and revenue. I also think that with it being the end of the year and early into 2019, I got a ton of views on my channel. Probably most likely that people are looking to get their finances under control for a new year, which is very exciting. So I think that I had a lot more new viewers come to my channel and had a lot of views that month. So here's a look at that. So I had almost 61,000 views for the month of December, and then I made about $415 on just YouTube ads for the month. So this ended up being, again, a fantastic month for me. And as you can see here, I have a little like spike in views, as I said, and then my revenue also spiked. But it doesn't fully equate to this, but the more views you have, typically the more money you're going to make in YouTube ads. So as you can see in total, we have all these green triangles here, which just means that I've been growing and this ended up being a better month than the previous. So we like that, like to see that additional growth. So here in Google Analytics is where you can see all the money that I've made on my channel since I've been monetized. Like I said, I got monetized in June. So my very first day of monetization, June 26th. As you can see, so end of June and into July is when I became monetized, and I made a total between then and today. I've made $1,700 on YouTube ads, which isn't too bad. So that means that I make a few $100s a month typically on YouTube. So that has varied month to month, but right now I'm hovering at around like $350 a month is what I can expect from YouTube ads. And here you can actually overlay a different metric. So I've overlaid the views that I get. So views are in orange and the YouTube AdSense revenue is in blue. So as you guys can see, it pretty much follows what the views are. I mean, it varies a little bit like on these big spikes, but pretty much the more views you have, typically the more you're going to make in YouTube ad revenue. So that is how much money I make from YouTube ad revenue at being a small YouTuber of around 8,000 subscribers. And right now too, I also average a little over 50,000 views. I know that December was a little bit high for me, but again, that's because I had so many videos going out. But I will average around 55,000 views a month currently, and that is still growing. And even though I do make money from YouTube ads, I make money from my YouTube business in many different other income streams. And I recently did a video sharing how YouTubers make money, which I will go ahead and leave a link to up above. But I make money from affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, and even creating my own product. And so YouTube ads is just a small little part of the money that I make from my entire business. So even though I'm making maybe $350 from just ads, I actually make close to around $1,000 a month right now from all my different income streams that I receive because I have this platform of YouTube. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of getting to know how much small YouTubers actually do make. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos. And with that, I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye guys.